I'm getting to the way bottom. Here we go. Ticket 831232. 831232. Go to the back to claim your prize.
All right, let's get some more rock and roll going. What do you think? With Counselor Stephanie and Coach Kira, let's give a big round of applause for the UV Stars.
Hey, do you guys want to go to the park? Not right now. You want to do a puzzle? Maybe some other time. Want to sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Maybe something a little more rocking. Let's work out. Yeah, good idea. Get ready to rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are rocking out, gonna rock out, gonna rock out, sing the song. We are rocking out, gonna rock out, gonna rock out, sing the song. We are rocking out, gonna rock out, gonna rock out, sing the song. We are rocking out, gonna rock out, gonna rock out, sing the song. We are rocking out, gonna rock out, gonna rock out, sing the song. We are rocking out, gonna rock out, gonna rock out, sing the song. We are rocking out, gonna rock out, gonna rock out, sing the song. We are rocking out, gonna rock out, gonna rock out, sing the song. We are rocking out, gonna rock out, gonna rock out, sing the song. We are rocking out, gonna rock out, gonna rock out, sing the song. We are rocking out, gonna rock out, gonna rock out, sing the song. We are rocking out, gonna rock out, gonna rock out, sing the song. We are rocking out, gonna rock out, gonna rock out, sing the song. We are rocking out, gonna rock out, gonna rock out, sing the song. We are rocking out, gonna rock out, gonna rock out, sing the song. We are rocking out, gonna rock out, gonna rock out, sing the song. We are rocking out, gonna rock out, gonna rock out, sing the song. We are rocking out, gonna rock out, gonna rock out, sing the
Melted off backstage and I had to pick it